hear that? This guy is driving this thing unsafely. But that's all right. We made it here safe.
How old are you?
17.
He's my age and he's driving a P1. Welcome back to another episode of Capture Cars. Today we got one of the more interesting episodes. I will be driving my first supercar at age 17, which is pretty crazy. All thank you to the Hamilton Collection. I won their 24,000 follower giveaway, so it's gonna be very exciting. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. I'm gonna be leaving right now. It's a little late, so I gotta get going. Well, shout out to McAllister's. I just wanted to pick up some sweet tea. I ordered it and they gave it to me for free. So shout out to this place. So I just got here. Unfortunately, if you can look out of the garage, it's super dark. So unfortunately, I don't know how good the video is actually gonna be because I can't really see much. It's 5 o'clock here, but the sun sets super early because of daylight savings time. So yeah. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I just put on a light on top of the camera, so hopefully we'll see something. Oh my god, guys. So right now we're driving the twin turbo R8 with 1,000 horsepower. I literally went from an Lexus RC350 with just over 300 horsepower to a 1,000 horsepower R8. This is crazy. Don't know what to expect. Hopefully I don't spin out. Oh my god, all the supercars are starting. Here we go, guys. Starting the R8. This is crazy. We got the Ferrari up in front. This is absurd. We got the Hypers in front of that too. But the R8, so far so good, guys. So far so good. Sorry for the poor lighting, but yeah, this is insane. Oh my god, dude! What are you thinking?
How's that 1,000 horsepower treatment?
I haven't tried it yet. I'm not gonna try it, dude. I got the P1 behind me. This is insane, guys. First supercar experience is pretty surreal, guys. Wow, I love this dual clutch trans too. Wow, that sounded good. Look at this, guys. This hypercars of Chicago terrorize the streets. What's up, brother? What's up? Dude, Meg's driving the freaking P1. How old are you?
17.
He's my age and he's driving a P1. Are you kidding? You got the Senna and the HUAYRA. Dude, hypercars are terrorizing the streets of Illinois. This is insane. Freaking turbo whistles echoing out the freaking trees. Do you hear the pops?
The bangs sound fucking
We got a Senna, the P1 again. Oh, that thing is auto start stop. What on earth? Wow, that is absurd. Wow, that sounds crazy. The freaking 488 sounds nuts. Guys, I am freaking out. Oh, we have the GT3 RS making an appearance. We have the Ford GT also making an appearance. And we have the C8. Wow. This is wild, guys. The same 488's behind. My god. This is crazy. I'm freaking out, guys. R8 twin turbo. If this night serves any purpose, it is, I think, like the most motivated I can ever be. This is like the greatest motivation for me to finally actually like really give it that last push, because this is ridiculous, guys. Oh my god, the greatest motivation ever. Wow. Steve made a wrong turn in the Pagani. He's turning around, he's backing up. That's funny. Here we are. We have arrived at Shake Shack. All right, let's turn in.
You hear that? This guy is driving this thing unsafely. But that's all right. We made it here safe. Get closer to the P1. I don't think that's going to be enough, homeboy. Keep turning, keep getting closer. Keep it turning, keep it turning, keep it turning. Oh, good, we got those spots now. Hell yeah, that worked out.
I swear to God.
Oh my god, guys.
I have to pull out again.
The supercar and hypercar takeover of Shake Shack. Believe it or not.
Got him. Got him. Ow, my body is
Oh, why are you recording me?
Absolute class clown. I cannot buy. Damn, dog, it's a carbon door.
Slam that harder, please.
Slam that harder.
I like seeing the car suffer. I'm kidding, please don't.
Gravity takes it.
Oh, yeah, actually. Do you have to press both of these for the horn or just one?
either one.
Oh, okay.
That wasn't me.
Oh my god. We got the Pagani starting up, the Senna starting up. The work of art, the Track King, the F1 hybrid type thing, and the other supercars.
I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, spit it all, what's the call? Need a 10, never fall, polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10, beat the odds, hit my line, what you want, I pick up, yeah. Love when the celly go ring, I'm putting on my team, money come flow, no sink, spring, 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 double cup, cover my drink, love my little baby, no leave, I be counting money, no sheet, I get to it up in my sleep. Shorts out chain when the money came. Money pay him, get money back. Need the money counting for the money, ayy. No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt.
This is nuts, guys. Sitting in the Pagani. Never would have thought. Jesus, what a work of art.